Hello everyone, thank you for watching my video on Module 6, for the Module 6 discussion on crew and weeding the collection. I chose to look at the Destiny Discover catalog for the middle school, which I currently work, and I narrowed it down specifically to the topic of adventure. Went kind of the back office here in Destiny and clicked on the topic adventure, um, because it is a larger, one of the larger sections of our library, and because having conversations with our librarian, um, she told me that it's really not a section the kids are actually using a lot. So I thought, well, let me dig in, see if what she's noticing is verified with the online catalog as well. So the number of titles classified within Destiny as adventure was 337. Here's how they broke down. I went through and counted by years, so total of 337 under the topic of adventure. Um, most most of the titles are at least 8, 9 years old or more. You can see 127 of that total are for 5 to 9 years old at this point, and then 130, 150 are even older than that. Some going as far back. I just searched by publishing date, so some going as far back as 1960. So first impressions are that there's a lot of titles that um, are showing their age, and they might still be good. Like Rick Riordan, people still like Rick Riordan, but there are others, Warriors, they like those as well. Others that just I wasn't able to see when they were last checked out, but others that I would bet haven't been checked out in a very long time, maybe if at all. A quick glance showed that of this section, 20 titles were currently checked out, and scrolling through, most of them were either these Warriors books or graphic novels. Some of those were under this topic as well, and some other higher interest. The I Survived are always popular, but not very many currently checked out from this topic. And looking in the textbook, the kind of the guideline for the crew formula is 3 years, published 3 years ago. If it's been published more than 3 years ago, it's candidate for weeding. If they haven't been checked out in at least 2 years, definitely candidate. And then following the musty acronym. Again, I couldn't see when they were last checked out, but judging by the number of titles more than 3 years old, I mean, the majority of this section in the library is more than 3 years old. Um, yeah, way more than half. So has it been weeded effectively? Judging by the numbers, if we go by that formula, I would have to say no. And I know talking with our librarian, it hasn't been probably weeded very much recently at all. So I think it would be, most of these would be good candidates for weeding. Some of them, like I said, higher interest. The Warriors books still get checked out, even though they're quite a bit older than 3 years. But overall, this section could do with some weeding, getting rid of some older titles, refreshing with some newer, more recent titles as well.